innovating within an expansive portfolio that includes personal care, home care, personal skincare, coffee, juices, OTC pharmaceutical, pet grooming, and pet food. BevM, OSB, and PBB, certified by SGS for ISO compliance, upholds the promise of unparalleled quality control and assurance to our partners and clients, ensuring excellence in our manufacturing process.
Beauty Elements Ventures Manufacturing Incorporated, a name synonymous with unmatched quality and relentless innovation. Philippine Bottling Beverage, One Standpoint Manufacturing Corporation. Since 2008, we've been pushing the boundaries of personal care. From essential to premium skincare, our portfolio boasts anti-aging, brightening, anti-acne solutions, and more. We are the engine behind trusted brands like Kojisan, Defensive, Scent Therapy, Denali, and Top to Tail, and capable of developing and producing categories like hair care, oral care, and home care. This is the power of BevM. Your vision, our expertise. BevM doesn't just manufacture exceptional products. We strengthen your brand's potential. We guarantee high-quality products that are made with sustainability in mind. We are a one-stop shop. We hold an ISO certification and operate under the strictest standards. Operational excellence is always